Hey everybody, and welcome back to Red Review. Boy, have I got something special here for you today. So, Cybertruck, right? Seems like a great vehicle. It's great. But you know what? Sometimes it kind of lacks in certain areas, and well, one of those areas happens to be the center console. The center console is not exactly known for its performance. In fact, it has a tendency to kind of push through, and after you put so much stuff in it, it doesn't even hold and stay in place the way it's supposed to. So what you can do is order a replacement center console, which tends to work a little bit better a lot of times. So this is third party. This particular one that I've got is from our friends over at Elecfresh, and this is supposed to replace your center console storage bin. And I have it right here, and we're going to tear into this and take a look at it and see, what it's like and what it's like to install, and see if it actually lives up to its name. Okay, so here we go. I got the box here. I'm going to take a look inside and let's see what comes inside of this thing. All right. Well, it looks like I got a couple of trays in here. Oh boy. Yeah, these are definitely a lot more solid than the other ones. Empty box. Don't need that. Okay, so what we have here, wow, it looks like we have a tray within a tray, something that is not already included within the current console. It looks like we have two different trays. This one appears to go into the bottom. This one appears to go on the bottom of the console, and this one appears to like sit on top of that. And it looks like it still may, uh-oh, did I not get this right? Oh, there we go. Interesting. I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but I think there may be a little bit more space in there than what I thought there was. So it comes with some rubberized matting. Nice and rubbery. So this appears as though it's going to go down in here like so. So let's see. This looks like it's going to go right down in here. Oh, well, that's cool. So I guess it's to help protect against dirt and such. That's pretty innovative, because this is one area that Cybertruck severely lacks in, is protection against dirt. I've had several accessories in my truck now that I've had to put in there just to keep the dirt off and to make it easier to clean, because it didn't have like things covering the cup holders. You can't pull the cup holders out. The door where you put stuff, you could not pull those out. This is seemingly the same way. Looks like you just take these mats and they have these little handles, position that. So you put some things here, put some things here. You got coin spaces here. That's pretty nice. Let's take this part out, and two more mats. Let's separate those. Ooh, nice and sticky. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Ah, all right. So this one appears to go here. Let's get that lined up. And you grab these little ends. That seems to be the way to go. And then we have one more. Let's see how this goes in here. Yep, there we go. Go and put that in there like that. And voila, just like that, they're put together. Ready to go. Oh, didn't mean to dump them out. Huh. They seem kind of sticky, seemingly, but not really. I guess that's just a misnomer. It's not sticky, but it's very rubberized. So it feels very durable. Trying to get them nice and flush, and they fit into one another, one on top of another. Just like that. Pretty sturdy, very solid. It's not bending like the other tray that's in there currently. This is actually hard plastic. The one that's currently in there, it has on these edges right here, it tends to bend and flop in. It's like a very hard rubber. It's not the same thing. So, tell you what, let's go out there and put this in and see how it works. Hope for the best. Fingers crossed. Well, so here we are in the Cybertruck, right? So what we're replacing is in here. What we're replacing is the center console tray. And it's located in here. And this is the console tray that comes with it, which looks similar to the other one, except for the fact this one is made of a hard rubber instead of a hard plastic. This hard rubber, well, it doesn't hold on these four corners very well, because when you push in on this, look what it does. It just pushes in. And believe it or not, it doesn't take that much force or that much weight where it just pushes in. So you can even see right here on these edges right here where this has actually buckled due to the just simple weight of stuff in the tray. And this thing is falling in. It is more than just an annoyance. See how you can warp it, you can twist it. I mean, it's great for, you know, all weather stuff, but quite frankly, kind of useless, truth be told. So we're gonna replace this with this. Hard plastic, no longer rubber. See? Rubber, plastic. So we're gonna put this in here and see how it goes. So I'm guessing we rotate it in here like this, and we just drop it in. And you know what? I cannot push in on this. This is solid. Here's the two-piece tray. This actually works. Here we have the full tray, hard plastic. Got a left side, right side, there's our coin slot. I can't push down in on this. This is actually solid. It's holding on to all 4 points. It's actually doing an impressive job. And here's something else that I noticed. Here's the inner tray. But guess what? This one, when you pull it out, it actually has room at the bottom for my PS5 controller and all the wires. But I also noticed something else. You see this little USB cable here? I have my USB cable because we didn't all know, while this has the chargers for the cell phones up here, which is all well and good, the problem with them is that they're slow. So a lot of the times you can use a nice long USB cable and it charges your devices a lot faster than what those would. Well, the folks at Elecfresh thought about this, and it looks like if you look at the bottom of this tray right here, you'll see a nice little line that comes up. And so you're able to put your wires through the bottom. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna string this wire right on up here through here, like so. Let's pull that all the way through. I'm guessing we don't have to pull it all the way through. I'm guessing we can do it like this. We can do it like that. I'll give it a little bit of slack. I don't know why they put it around the back, when the USB port's at the front, unless I have this in backwards, which is a distinct possibility. Let me try it the other way around. See if it goes the other way around. Well, maybe. Maybe. That's probably the way it's supposed to go. I just had it in backwards. We have our tray here. Once again, on the bottom, we have a nice little line for a wire. It comes up and comes out the side right here. So we're gonna put this in here like so. And then we're gonna go around the side like that. Our little pads keep coming out here. But then again, they didn't make these things for the tray to go inverted. I guess if you get in a rollover accident, then all bets are off with the center console tray. And we're gonna put this in here just like this. Let me tighten it up just a little bit. Well, I think I had it too tight. All right. It fell out. That's okay. You have the wire going through there, comes up through there, and when we close this center console, voila, there's our wire. So we can put that aside. So now we can put all that stuff in here. Goes in and out. And well, the wire doesn't really stay there. I really wish it would, but I guess if I put a piece of tape on the bottom for this thing not to move, it would work a lot better, but hey, this is a lot better than what it was. So I will take the W here. There we go. Put it back in here. Put it back in here. And without a doubt, this situation is a lot better than this. There's no doubt about it. I don't feel like my stuff is gonna fall through here. Now I have a place for my coins, now I have a place for my stuff, and I actually think it works. So I will give this one a thumbs up. And for the price, not bad. So once again, it's from Elecfresh. I'll put a link to it in the bottom. Take it to Amazon, purchase it. It's one of those necessary accessories. So for now, I'm gonna say sayonara, but you know, as we go through the truck, I will point out other accessories that are great, things that are kind of must-haves, kind of like this tray here. It's definitely must-have. There are a lot of other things on the truck that you can get from Elecfresh and other vendors as well that will greatly enhance your experience. And we will be going through some of those as time goes on. Thank you for everything. Like and subscribe. If you like what you see, put a comment down below about what you think is good, bad, or indifferent, or what you want to see in the future. Any questions? Don't be afraid to hit me up, and I'll talk to you again soon. Peace.